Lovely split level with subbasement. Over 2,300 square feet of living space. Sunny living room features a stunning bay window. Updated kitchen with beautiful cabinets, expansive granite counter, new refrigerator, ceramic flooring and sliding glass doors to the wonderful sunroom. Second floor primary bedroom with shared pretty master bath. Lower level with spacious family room anchored by the brick front gas start fireplace. Second updated full bath with trendy vanity and walk-in shower. Basement offers a large bedroom with can lighting and egress window. Also additional storage in the laundry room, utility room and workshop. Amazing 30x23 garage with gas service and venting. Fenced backyard and deck. Roof